Hello students, next today we will do question number 6 of exercise 12.3. In a circular table cover of radius 32 cm, circular table cover having radius 32 cm. Take the center of this circle as point O. So the radius is 32 cm. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle of the circle. This ABC is an equilateral triangle which removed from this circular table cover, and the remaining portion is our design. So find the area of the design. You have to find this remaining area. So we have to do area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. We will get the area of design. Now area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square, and the value of pi is 22/7. Radius of the circle is given, that is 32. So multiply 32 32. It is 22 by 7. 1 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of equilateral triangle ABC. The area of equilateral triangle ABC is under root 3/4 a square. A is what? A is the side of this triangle, but it is not given. This is A. The side of this equilateral triangle is not given in this question, so we will find it. So first we will join this OC, and you can see here this OBC is a what? OBC is a triangle. Now we will draw perpendicular OM perpendicular to BC. We will take construction. Draw OM perpendicular to BC. Now you can see here there are two triangles OMB, OMC. In triangle OMB and triangle OMC, OB is equal to OC. Reason, radius of a circle. Next, OM is equal to OM. Reason, common. And angle OMB is equal to angle OMC, 90 degree each. So by RHS rule, triangles are what? Congruent. Therefore, triangle OMB congruent to triangle OMC. Now we take here angle BOM is equal to angle COM. This one, angle BOM is equal to angle COM, and the second will write BM is equal to MC. Reason, by CPCT, congruent part of the congruent triangles. Now we know that in an equilateral triangle, each of the angle is of measure 60 degree. If this one is 60 degree, then what is the measure of this angle BOC, this complete angle? It is 120 degree. ठीक है? सेम सेगमेंट तो अगर तुसी कोई एंगल बना रहे हो सर्कल पे और एक एंगल है सेंटर पे, तो सेंटर पे एंगल डबल होगा. The angle of center from the same segment is double. Alright, if this one is 60, then the measure of angle BOC is 120 degree. So if angle BOM is equal to angle COM, then what is the half of this? It is 60 degree. Alright, it is 60 degree. Now draw this triangle BOM. This is of measure 60 degree and this is 32 centimeter. We will find first BM. BM over OB, perpendicular over hypotenuse. It is sin theta, and theta is here how much? 60 degree. BM OB is 32, and the value of sin 60, it is under root 3/2. Or cancel this, 60 is 32, and BM is how much? 16 root 3. 16 root 3. If BM is 16 root 3, then MC is again same 16 root 3 because BM is equal to MC. So that's why BC is equal to BM plus MC, or you should write BM plus BM because MC is equal to BM. Now the length of BM is 16 root 3. 16 root 3 plus 16 root 3. How much? It is 32 root 3 centimeter. It means BC is what? BC is the side of this equilateral triangle. It means the side of an equilateral triangle is 32 under root 3 centimeter. Now we will easily find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is how much? Under root 3 over 4 A square. What is A? A is the side of this equilateral triangle. A side is how much? 32 under root 3. Multiply 2 times because a power is 2 square. Now this 4 8s are how much? 32. So what should left there? 32 into 8 under root 3 into under root 3. It is 3 and 1 root 3 is left here. Now multiply this. 32 8s are 8 to the 16. 256. Multiply 3 into root 3. Now 3 6 are 18. 1 carry, 3 5 are 15 plus 1 16. 1 carry, 3 to 6, 6 plus 1 7. 768 under root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of an equilateral triangle. Now we will find the area of design. So we have to subtract this area of triangle from the area of whole circle. Area of circle minus area of triangle. Now area of circle is how much? 22 multiply 1024 over 7 minus 768 under root 3. Now I should multiply this 1024 into 22. Double 2 528 over 7 minus 768 under root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of this design in a circular table curve. So this is your question number 6. This is your question number 7. In figure, ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square having all sides equal, of length 14 centimeter. ABCD is a square having side 14 centimeter with center A, B, C and D. The vertex of this square ABCD, you will take it as a center of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 circles. They are drawn such that each circle touches the 2 circle, the remaining of 3 circles. Each of the circle touches 2 circle of the remaining 3. Alright. Suppose this circle touches this and this circle touches this and this. Alright. So the side of a square is 14 centimeter. It means what is the radius of this each circle? Radius of each circle. The total length is how much? 14. The total length is 14. It means they are including 2 radius. So the radius of each circle is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. So what we have to do? Area of square minus area of 4 what? 4 quadrant, or you can say 4 sector. These are sector. Alright, so there are total 4 sectors. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. Area of square is side multiplied side minus area of 4 sectors. So there are only 4 sectors. You should multiply the area of each sector with 4. Area of each sector, that is theta over 360 into pi r square. Theta is how much? 90. Because the vertex angle of square is 90 degree. Theta is 90 over 360 into pi. Value of pi is 22 over 7. And the radius is how much? 7. And the 7 square is 49. Now we cancel this. 7 7s are 49. 9 4s are 360. 4 4 cancel. Side of square is 14. So 14 14s are 196. 22 7s are 154. 196 minus 154. 42 centimeter square. So the 42 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. This is your question number 7. This is your next 8th question. Figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. You can see here this is a racing track in which this left and right ends are what? Semicircular. It is a semicircular. Perfect. The distance between the two inner parallel lines. So these are parallel lines. The distance between this parallel line is 60 meter. How much? 60. And they are each 106 meter long. And the length of these parallel lines is 106 meter. It means they are 106 meter long and the distance between them is 60 meter. If the track is 10 meter wide, fine. This track is 10 meter wide from all the sides. This is 10, this is 10, 10, 10. Alright, this is 10 meter wide. So find the distance around the track along its inner edge. It means we have to find the perimeter of this track along its inner edge. This one, perimeter along its inner edge. And in the second part, we have to find the area of the track. This one. We have to find the area of track. So, first part is the distance around the track along its inner edge. So, you can see here, in this inner edge, what is this? This is the length. So, there are 2 length count in this perimeter. How many length? 2 length. So write here 2 multiply length plus. What is this? This is semicircle. What is this? This is again semicircle. So when we join 2 semicircle, it is a one complete circle and we have to find its what? Circumference, or you can say perimeter. So what is the circumference of circle? It is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Because we have to find its perimeter. This is half circle and this is half circle. So this is one complete circle and there are 2 length. Count in this distance. So what is the length? Length is 106. This is 106 meter. 2. Value of pi is 22 over 7. Now what is the radius of this circle? You can see here this is semicircle and the width between these 2 inner parallel line is 60 meter. It means this 60 meter is the diameter of this semicircle. This 60 meter is diameter of this semicircle. If diameter is 60, then the radius is half of it, that is 30. Now solving this, 106 to the 212, 22 to the 44 multiply 30 over 7. 212 plus 44 3s are, it is 3 4s are 12, 1 3 2 over 7. So now taking LCM, so 7 2s are 40, 1 carry, 7 2 40. So 4, 8 to 10. So it is 2804 over 7 meter. So this is the distance along its inner edge. Now the second part, we have to find its area of this track. So we have to do what? We have to subtract this area of track along its inner edge from the area of this track along its outer edge. ठीक है, तो सीखी करूँगी इस complete area जो इस inner area में minus करूँगी. We have to get the area of this. We will get the area of this track. So this is your first part. Area of track is area of the track along its outer edge minus area of the track along its inner edge. So when we count this total area, we can see here, this is what? This is the rectangle. This is rectangle and this is semicircle and one semicircle on the right side. It means there are two semicircles and one complete rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? That is length multiplied breadth. And the area of two semicircle is taken as area of one circle, that is pi r square. So write here length into breadth plus pi r square. This is the area of track along its outer edge. Now we will find the area of track along its inner edge, this one. So this is again rectangle, this is what? This is the semicircle and this is again semicircle. It means there are two semicircles or one complete circle and one rectangle. So subtract area of rectangle plus area of circle, inner circle. Alright. Now, what is the length of outer edge? The length is 106 meter. It is 106 meter. What is the breadth of this greater rectangle? This is 60, this is 10, this is 10. Because the track is 10 meter wide. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 60 is 80. It means breadth is 80. Plus value of pi is 10/7 and the radius for outer circles. This is the semicircle and diameter is how much? 80. So radius is 40. Minus length of the inner rectangle. Length is again same 106 and the breadth is 60 meter. Minus plus minus. Value of pi is again 20/7 and the radius of inner circle is 30 because the distance between this parallel line is 60. So it is taken as diameter of the semicircle and its radius is half of it, that is 30. Now we will take common from this first and this third term and this second and this fourth term. So 106 into 80 minus 106 into 60. So 106 is common. So what should left is 80 sine minus 60. Now common from the second and last fourth term. So what is common? 22/7. So 40 to 40, 1600 sine minus 30 to 30, 900. Now 80 minus 60 is 20. 20 multiply 106 plus 22 by 7. 1600 minus 900. It is 700 and this is cancelled. 7 into 100 is 7. Now 106 into 20. It is 2120 plus 22 into 100 is 2200. So it is 4320 meter square. So this is the area of this track. Clear, students? This is your question number next 8. This is your question number 9. In this figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle intersecting each other at point O. If OA is 7 cm, O is what? O is the diameter, radius of bigger circle, larger circle. Alright. Find the area of shaded region. We have to find the area of this shaded region. So you can see here, there is again a smaller circle in this semicircle, and this is what? This ABC is a triangle. So we have to subtract this triangle from the area of semicircle and we have to add in the area of smaller circle. We will get the area of shaded region. So the radius of the larger circle is 7 cm. What is the radius of the smaller circle? If the radius of larger circle is 7, then the radius of small circle is how much? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 centimeter. So it is area of shaded region is equal to area of smaller circle plus area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of smaller circle plus area of semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. So what is the area of smaller circle? It is pi r square. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Semicircle is pi r square by 2. And the area of triangle is how much? Half into base into pi. Now when your pi is 20/7, here you can put the radius of smaller circle. And the radius of smaller circle is 7/2. So 7 square 49 and 2 square 4. Value of pi is 20/7. And the radius of large circle is 7. 7 square is 49. Minus half base. So this is the base of this triangle. This is the base. So base is how much? 7 plus 7. That is 14. And this is the height of this triangle. And the height is again 7. Now solving this, 7 7 is 49. 2 to the 4. 2 11 is 22. 11 7 is 77. Clear, students? 2 plus this 2 11 is 22. 7 7 is 49. 11 7 is 77 minus 2 7 is 14. 7 7 is 49. 77 minus 49 is how much? It is 8 2. Now taking LCM is 2 77 plus 28 2 56. Now 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 plus 6 is again 13 2 centimeter square. So this 133/2 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. This is your question number 9. This is your question number 10. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is given, that is 17,320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle, that is ABC, with each vertex of the triangle as center. It means you will take it as a center. Draw a 3 circle. The circle is drawn from center A, second circle from center B, and the third from center C. A circle is drawn with radius equal to the half of the length of the triangle. So the circle is drawn such that its radius is half of the side of the equilateral triangle. Suppose that if the length of this equilateral triangle is 20 centimeter, then what is the radius of circle? Radius is half of 20, that is 10 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. You can see here, you can find the area of this remaining portion in between this equilateral triangle. Alright, so we have to do what? Area of triangle minus area of what? What is this? This is sector. Area of 3 sector. This is sector. Area equals between radius and the arc of circle. And we know that this angle is of measure 60 degree. In equilateral triangle, all angles are of measure 60 degree. It means theta is given 60. Now we will find what? We will find the radius of circle. Alright, radius of circle. To need to find the area of sector. So the area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of 3 sector. Clear, students? Now the area of triangle ABC is given already, that is 17,320.5 5 centimeter square. Now we will find the radius of this circle. So area of triangle ABC, that is 17,320.5. Now what is the area of an equilateral triangle? What is the formula of equilateral triangle? That is under root 3 over 4 a square. So you can put it here, under root 3 over 4 a square, 17,320.5. Or you can write a square is equal to 17320.5 multiply 4 over under root 3. When you take this 4 on right hand side, it is multiplied with this, and this root 3 is divided by this whole term. Now what is the value of root 3? It is given, that is 1.73205. 1.73205 over 10, 1.73205. Alright. So remove the decimal from this value. So you will divide it by 10 because there is only one digit after the decimal point. Again, remove this decimal point from the denominator. So you can put how many 0? 50. Because after decimal point there are 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50. Now 1 zeros cancel. Now 173,205, 173,205. It is again cancelled. So what you left here? A square is equal to 4 multiply 10,000, or you can write 4 multiply 10,000 under root. When you take the square on right hand side, it becomes square root. What is the square root of 4? It is 2, and square root of 10,000 is 100. So 2 into 100 is 200. What is A? A is the side of an equilateral triangle, and we know that the radius is equal to the half of the length of side of triangle. If the side of the length of the side of triangle is 200, then what is the radius? It is 200 by 2, that is 100. Side of triangle ABC is 200 centimeter, and the radius is 200 over 2, that is 100 centimeter. Now we can easily find the area of sector. Now what is the area of triangle ABC? It is given 17,320.5. Area of 3 sectors. So multiply with 3, and area of each sector is theta over 360. Theta is 60 by 360 into pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14. Now you can write 314 by 100. Remove the decimal point. Multiply r square. What is the radius? The radius is 100. So 100 into 100 is 10,000. Now we can solve this. You can see that this 100 cancel. 60 6 is 360. 3 2 is 6. And 2 1 3 7 is 340. 17320.5 minus 15 into 157 into 100. It is 15,700. Now 15,700 subtract from 17,320.5. So our answer is 1620.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of this shaded region in between this equilateral triangle. So this is your question number 10. This is your question number 11. On a square handkerchief ABCD, there are 9 circular designs. How many circular designs? 9. Having radius 7 centimeter. The radius of each circular design is 7. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. You have to find this remaining area of this handkerchief. So we have to do what? Area of square minus area of 9 circles. Okay. Area of remaining portion is equal to area of square minus area of 9 circles. So what is the area of square? Side multiplied side. and the area of circle is pi r square multiplied with 9 because there are total 9 circular designs. Now what is the side of the square? You can see here radius of each circle is 7. So what is the diameter? 14. And along each side there are 3 circles. Along this side there are 3 circles. Again 3 circles. It means the diameter of each circle is 14. So what is the side of the square? 14 plus 14 plus 14. It is 42. 9 multiplied 22 into 7. 22 by 7 into r square. What is the radius of each circle? 7. And 7 square is 49. 7 sevens are 49. 42 into 42 minus 9 into 22. 22 sevens are 154. Now multiply this. 1760 and 154 into 9 is 9 4 26, 3 carry, 9 5 is 45 plus 3 48, 9 1 is 9 plus 4 13. Now 14 minus 6 8, 15 minus 8 7, then 6 minus 3 3. So the area is 378 centimeter square, which is the remaining area of this square handkerchief. This is your question number 11. This is your next question number 12. In figure OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O. So this is a quadrant with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. This is the radius. Radius of a quadrant 3.5 centimeter. If OD is 2 centimeter, this is OD, which is of length 2 centimeter. Find the area of quadrant OACB. You have to find the area of this quadrant. We know that in a quadrant, this angle is of measure 90 degree. And then we have to find the area of shaded region, this one. So we have to do what? Area of quadrant minus area of, this is what? This is triangle. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. We will get the area of shaded region. So let us find area of quadrant. So area of quadrant is theta over 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degree upon 360 into pi. Value of pi is 22 over 7. And the radius is 3.5. Or you can write 35 over 10. 35 over 10. We have to convert the decimal into fraction. Now 90 4s are 360. Now this 2 2s are 4. 2 11s are 22. 11 into 25 into 25. 2 into 7 into 10 into 10. Now this is 7 5 35. Now 11 into 35. It is 385 into 5. 2 into 10 into 10. It is how much? 385 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 5 is 15 plus 3, 18. Sorry. 15 plus 4, 19. Okay, 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 8 is 40, 40 plus 2, 42, 4 carry, 5 is 15, 15 plus 4, 19. Divided by 2 and 10 10s are how much? 100. Now it is 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now you can write 9.625 centimeter square. So it is the area, this is the area of quadrant OACB. Now we will find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is what? Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. And the area of quadrant we already find in the first part, that is 9.625. And the area of triangle is half into base into height. Half into base. Base is 3.5 and the height of this triangle is 2 centimeters. So you can see the 2 cancel. 9.625 minus 3.5. It is 5216. So the area of the shaded portion is 6.125 centimeter square. This is your question number 12. This is your question number 13. In this figure, OPBQ is a quadrant in which OABC is a square, which is described in this quadrant. And the length of OA is 20. OA, it means the side of a square is given, that is 20 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region, and we have to use pi here, 3.14. So this is a square and this is a complete quadrant. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. So we have to subtract the area of square from the area of quadrant. So to find the area of quadrant, we need to find the radius of this quadrant first, because the side of a square is given already. So you can see here, this OP is the radius and you will join here OB. OB is also the radius of this quadrant. OP is radius and OB is also radius. Now this angle is of measure 90 degree, because the vertex angle in a square is 90 degree measure. So this is the right triangle. So we have to apply here Pythagoras property. So here hypotenuse is OB. So OB is equal to under root OA square plus AB square. And the length of OA is how much? 20. And the length of AB is also 20, because all sides are equal in a square. So 20 square is 400, again 20 square is 400. 400 plus 400, 800. And the square root of 800 is 20 root 2. Because 800 is not a perfect square. So it is 20 root 2 centimeter. It means 20 root 2 centimeter is the radius of this quadrant. Now, area of the shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. Now the area of quadrant is theta over 360 into pi r square, and the theta is 90 degree in each quadrant. Pi, value of pi is here 3.14 into r square. What is the radius? Radius is 20 root 2. 20 root 2, 20 root 2. Write it 2 times. Next, area of square is side multiply side. So what is the side of square? It is 20. Now this is cancelled with 4, and 4 5s are 20. 3.14, and next 25s are 100 root 2 into root 2. Please students, minus 20 20s are 400. 3.14 into 100, it is 314 into 2 minus 400. Now 342s are 628. It is 228 centimeter square. So this is the area of this remaining shaded portion. Alright, this is your question number 13. This is your question number 14. This question is same as question number 2nd, in which we have to subtract the area of smaller sector from the area of larger sector. We will get the area of this shaded portion. So again, the question number 14 is AB and CD are respectively arc of two concentric circles of radii 21 cm and 7 cm with center O. So this CD is the arc of smaller sector and this AB is the arc of larger sector. And the theta for both of the sector is same, that is 30 degree. If angle AOB is 30 degree, find the area of shaded region. We have to find the area of this shaded region. So we have to do what? again area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector, and the theta for both the sector should be same. The radius for smaller sector is 7 cm and the radius for larger sector is 21 cm. So write here area of what? Shaded region is equal to area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector. So what is the formula for area of sector? Theta over 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 degree over 360 into pi. Value of pi is 22 over 7 r square. What is the radius of this large sector? It is 21. So 21 into 21 minus. Now area of smaller sector. Theta is again same. 30 degree over 360 degree into pi r square. What is the radius for this smaller sector? Radius is 7. So 7 into 7. Now we will take common. 30 over 360 is common. 30 degree over 360 degree is common. Perfect. And this 22 by 7 is also common. So 21 into 21, it is 441. Sign here negative minus sign, and 7 sevens are 49. Now you should cancel the 0. 3 ones are 3, 3 12s are 36. Now this 2 6s are 12 and 2 11s are 22. So the radius is 111. 6 7s are 42. Multiply with 441 minus 49. How much? 11 minus 9, 2. 40 minus 4, 9. 392. So it is cancel with 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 5 are 35. 37 minus 35 is 4. 42. 7 6 are 42. So it is 11 into 56 divided by 6. Again 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Now 28 11s are. 28 11s are how much? 308. 308 over 3. 308 over 3 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. Now let's students, this is your question number 14. This is your next 15th question. ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. ABC is a quadrant of a circle having radius 14 centimeter. And a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. So when you join this BC side, so BC taken as a diameter, a semicircle is drawn. Semicircle is drawn. Find the area of shaded area. You have to find this shaded area. So you can see here there are three parts. This is first one is triangle. This is what? This is the quadrant, and this is the semicircle. We have to name it parts 1, 2, 3. This is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part. So we have to find the area of region. Which one? Third region. Area of region third. So what we have to do? So first write here area of which one? Area of triangle plus area of semicircle minus area of quadrant. So first we will add this area of triangle and area of semicircle. After that subtract area of this quadrant. So in this triangle ABC, which region is counted here? First region. Plus in semicircle region 2 and region 3 will be counted. Second and third. And in the quadrant first and second region is counted. Now you open the brackets. 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 minus plus minus 2. So this 1 cancel, this 2 will cancel. What is left here? Third. It means we will get the area of this third region. So what is the area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle is half into base into height. Half into base. So base of this triangle is how much? 14. Height is again same, that is 14 plus area of semicircle. So area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. What is r? R is the radius of circle, but here diameter is not given in this question, so we have to find it first. So you can see here this is right triangle and this is what? This is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Alright, so by applying Pythagoras we will get the hypotenuse of this triangle, and the hypotenuse is equal to the diameter of this semicircle. So BC is under root 14 square plus 14 square. What is 14 square? 196. 196 plus 196. It is 392 and it is 14 root 2. So the 14 root 2 is the diameter of this semicircle. Therefore radius is half of it and the radius is 7 root 2. So the area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Half is 1 by 2 and r square. Radius is half of this diameter. It is 7 root 2. So write 7 root 2 2 times minus area of what? Quadrant. Area of quadrant is theta over 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degree over 360 into pi r square. The radius of this quadrant is 14. Now solve this calculation. 2 7s are 14, 14 7s are 98. This 7 7 cancel. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 2 cancel. Now 22 7s are 154 minus. This is cancelled with 4. This is 7 2s are 14. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are how much? 14. Now again 2 2 cancel. 22 7s are 154. Now you cancel this 154. What is left here? 98. So the 98 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. Clear students? This is your question number 15. Next, this is your last question number 16 of exercise 12.3. Calculate the area of the design region in this figure common between the two quadrants having radius 8 centimeter each. So you can see here, this is the first quadrant and this is the second quadrant. So this is the area between both of this quadrant, which is the common area, and the radius of this circle, radius of this quadrant is 8 centimeter. This is also 8 and this is also 8. It means this complete shape is what? It is a square. So you have to name this part 1, 2, 3. So we have to find the area of this second region. So area of region second is equal to area of quadrant So you have to make two quadrants separately. First quadrant this one, in which area first and second will be counted, and second quadrant this one, in which area second and third will be counted. So we will add area of quadrant in which first plus second plus area of quadrant in which second and third region will be counted. You have to subtract with area of square. Clear students? You will add first area of region 1 and 2 plus area of quadrant in which region 2 and 3 will be counted, and then subtract area of square. In this way, which region is counted? 1, 2 and 3. All of the 3 regions will be counted in the area of square. Now for the brackets, first is 1 plus 2 plus next is 2 plus 3 minus 1 minus plus minus 2, minus plus minus 3. Now you should see here 1 1 cancel, this 2 2 cancel, this 3 3 cancel. What is left here? 2, and the answer is here, area of region 2. So what is the area of quadrant? Area of quadrant is theta over 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degree and radius is 8. So 90 over 360 into pi r square. 8 square is 64. Again, area for this quadrant is again same. Theta is 90 and radius is same. That is 8 centimeter. So it is 90 over 360 into pi r square. R square is 64. Minus area of square. Area of square is side multiplied side. Side is 8. 8 8s are 64. Now see here, it is cancel with 4. Next 4 14s are 64. Sorry, not 14. 16. 4 was the 4. 4 6 are 24. So this is 22 multiply 16 over 7 plus 22 multiply 16 over 7 minus 64. Now what is 22 16, sir? 352. So it is 352 by 7 plus 352 by 7 minus 64. Now we will take LCM. So what is the LCM? LCM is 7. So what is 7? 352 plus 352 minus 64 multiplied with 7. 7 4s are 28. 2 carry. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2 44. Now 2 plus 2 4. 5 plus 5 10. 7 4 48 over 7. 14 minus 8, it is 6. 9 minus 4 5. 6 minus 4 2. So the answer is 256 over 7 centimeter square. This is the area of this shaded region. So this is your last question number 16th of exercise 12.3. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Thank you.